Hi, I'm Xinyi. I'm an artist. I'm happy to bring you my very first online class on Craftla, which is a basic art journal workshop for beginners. Keeping a journal has been one of my interests since 2015 when I was still in high school. I started with zero basic knowledge back then. Throughout the years, I have gained experience and opportunities to collaborate with several huge companies such as Stabilo and Daniel Wellington. There are a lot of ways to create an art journal, yet illustration and mixed medias are what I always go for. I have been exploring different types of mediums, themes and styles. Art journal allows us to explore unlimited possibilities of creating art. We can enjoy the art of freedom in it. You can create whatever you want, whatever you like, and even make mistakes. In this online workshop, you'll be able to learn how to create a floral art journal. You'll be introduced the basic skills of illustrating flowers and butterflies, ideas of combining mixed medias, and also explore the vintage style. Hopefully this workshop can inspire you, and let's get started.